Hey y'all, it's your girl Apri. Welcome to all my grateful heart travelers. I am currently sailing on the Carnival Vista and I wanted to give you guys a quick room tour before I hit the pool. So let's go ahead and get into it. Again, this is the Carnival Vista. We're currently staying on the spa deck, which starts on deck 14. And just so you know, the cabin we are in is 14 to 14 in case anyone decides they want to request a specific cabin. And for all my people out there that love to celebrate Kwanzaa, wishing you all a happy Kwanzaa as we are currently on a holiday cruise. So I'm going to go ahead and enter into the room to give you guys a close-up. As you enter into the room, over here on the right is your bathroom. And over here on the left is a wall of closets. So plenty of storage space, but let's go ahead and take a deeper dive into the room. All right. So when you first enter into the room, I do want to let you know that's the doorway right there. There's this nifty little slot here where you put a key in, or you can use this makeshift key. This allows you to keep the lights on in the suite. All right. And then over to my right is the bathroom entrance. So I'll go ahead and take you guys into the bathroom. Upon entry, there is a really nice shower head for all you ladies who like a handheld. That really comes in handy. They also include shampoo and soap dispenser, which is really nice. Over here on further to the right is your towel rack. They have a really convenient makeup mirror, which is really nice. Give you guys a little bit of a close-up on that. All right, so nice size makeup mirror for you ladies to do your makeup. Also over on the wall here, there's some great storage shelves, which will really come in handy because on a cruise, it's all about maximizing the storage, right? So that's one wall of storage. And then also over here on the right, don't mind all of my toiletries, but there are 3 additional shelves for you to store all of your day-to-day items that you might need. All right, awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and take you guys out of the bathroom. Over to the left here, as I mentioned, is the wall of closets. So let's take a deeper dive into that. There are 3 sets of closets here, you guys. This one in particular is the Mister's closet. His is more together right now. So it's got plenty of shelving. There's a safe for you to use. Also plenty of drawer space for you to store things that you might need. And then over on this side, it's great if you have those long dresses that you want to hang up. Great space for you to store your dresses. And the spa category also comes with some really nice plush robes that I think you all will greatly appreciate. All right. Now, as I pan back around and go deeper into the room, when you first enter, there's this nice little desk for you to kind of just like sit your bags or things that you need. You can sit on there. There's also a nice big spacious couch, which is really lovely. And also when you are in the spa category, they do give you these Serenity Club towels, which are nice. You can actually use them all around the cruise, as well as take them off the boat if you needed to. Okay. Now, for all of you guys who have seen my previous videos, you know I always love to travel with my handy neck pillow, especially on long flights. And for anyone who's familiar with my travel group, Traveling Sisters United, please feel free to join us on Meetup, and we love to have you. So that's one of our little tote bags that you might get if you traveled with us. All right. So as I pan over further into the room, this is I would say it's about a queen size bed. It's very, very spacious, and oh my God, you guys, super, super comfortable, I must say. And what I love about Carnival is they always decorate these cute little towels. I love the little towel animals, and they made really good use of my shades. So always find that super adorable. Plus it gives us extra towels. All right. Now, if you are traveling with kids or anyone that you may not necessarily want to share a bed with, This bed does convert into 2 twin beds, so you definitely would be able to do that. You can just request it as you're choosing the options for your room category to be 2 twin beds instead of a king. All right. Now, as we go further into the room here, there is a nice desk area, which is super handy if you want to lay out a few knickknacks. They provide you with waters, a couple of glasses. As we take a closer look, there are plenty of wall sockets, both European and standard wall sockets. I would say it's a fairly decent amount of sockets. I really would have liked if they had more sockets by the bed. And don't mind my medicine cabinet here, you guys. I tend to pack all kinds of bitters and herbs with me when I travel, especially on a cruise. Definitely trying to avoid getting sick. But there's also a telephone and also a nice little seating bench as well as a trash can if you wanted to sit and maybe do your makeup. Now in this cupboard here, it's a refrigerator, which is super handy for those who are traveling and maybe need to store some medication, or if you have some sodas, things like that you want to travel with. Great place to store that. You know, we were greeted with some lovely chocolate covered strawberries, which I think I might partake in shortly after this video. But aren't these gorgeous? They gave us some really nice chocolate covered strawberries. So I'm going to partake in that soon. All right. Now, as we go deeper into the room, as I mentioned, this is a balcony room on the spa deck. So before we head out to the balcony, I do want to point out the television. Really decent sized television directly across from the bed. And it does actually swivel, so you can watch it even while sitting on the couch. And quick hack, this television does not give a ton of channels. They do have some on-demand movies, but I would highly recommend you bring like a Roku, and that way you'll be able to enjoy some of your favorite TV shows while on the cruise. All right. So as you can see, you guys, it's raining quite a bit outside right now. We've had some slight rain on this cruise, unfortunately, but I do want to give you guys a quick glimpse into the balcony area. But forewarning, not going to stay out there too long because your girl is not trying to get soaked. All right. So before you exit into the balcony, do want to point out nice huge window. Nice to have open, just to take in the view. And this is the balcony door. So we'll go ahead and exit here. Very, very windy, you guys. So again, I'm not going to stay out long, but it has 2 chairs and a nice little table if you want to enjoy your coffee in the morning, and great views when it's sunny, right? So as I said, I'm not going to step out there, but it's a fairly decent sized balcony, enough for 2 people for sure to sit out and relax during those times where they may not want to necessarily sit out with everybody on the boat, right? All right. So this, oh, you know what, you guys, let me show you. I'll actually show you the other one. They have 2 nightstands on either side of the bed, which is super, super handy. And also they have these little cabinets where you can store a few extra items as well. They do open up. So certainly provide some decent amount of storage space in this room. All right. So let me show you here. All right. Yeah. So a nice small little cabinet for you to be able to store some extra items should you need it. And this is the lamp switch where you can do some nighttime reading if you so choose. Here. But this is the Lido deck here on the Carnival Vista, you guys. As you can see, plenty of chairs. We also have over to the right the tequila bar, which is really, really nice. And I think this is called the Blue Iguana. Great drinks, awesome tequila. This is where you can watch all your nightly movies. Decent sized pool area. All right. So more to come. Hey guys, we are entering into the Cloud9 spa right now. Hoping we can get a little bit of footage. Good morning. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Hope you don't mind I'm recording right now. I just wanted to get a quick glimpse into the spa. Is that okay?
Amanda, they want to shoot the spa, so I say hello.
Which areas attractive?
Anything that's not too private.
So it's just
Right through in here in the thermal suite. Awesome. Aren't they great? Say hi.
Namaste.
Thank you so much, guys. So I'm going to take you into the Cloud9 Spa. It's a quick little tour. Right here is where you can do the Cloud9 Spa treatments. This is all the treatment rooms, so massages, facials, things like that. Always great. Yesterday I had a really, really nice massage and it was pretty awesome. So down here is where you come to relax after you had your treatments. I mean, honestly, absolutely beautiful. So I highly recommend that you guys come and check out the Carnival Vista Cloud9 Spa. You will not be disappointed. So I'm gonna take you a little bit further into the rest and relaxation area. Here, look how calming and serene this is. Beautiful that is. Hey all my grateful heart travelers. So now we are entering into the Carnival Vista gym area. So for all of you who love to get a nice awesome workout while on vacation, this is a perfect spot for you guys. As you can see, it has plenty of equipment matched with amazing views that I'm sure you all can appreciate. So plenty of treadmills, great views. They have nice elliptical equipment and even some bikes. Now I didn't go all the way through the gym, but you guys trust me when I say it has everything that you need to build up a nice, awesome sweat. And did I say again the views were amazing? Check that out. All right.